winner take all. The favorite, Reyes Gold. Second choice, Jai Ho. And the race is on. Speedmaker from the outside. My Queen is running by Drell. Reyes Gold, Key Boy on the further outside. Is Lady Galore. Jai Ho down on the inside. Bronze Ace, Sir Jeboy. While Speedy Mackie is running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader is Speedmaker by about 3 lengths, followed by My Queen in second. Bronze Ace now running in third alongside Lady Galore, Sir Jeboy, Reyes Gold, Jai Ho, Key Boy, and Speedy Mackie. And rounding the far turn at Stealth, Speedmaker by about 3 lengths, followed by Bronze Ace in second, My Queen, Jai Ho on the outside, Lady Galore and Reyes Gold as they race the final corner. Speedmaker, Bronze Ace, Jai Ho on the outside. It's now Jai Ho on the outside by the Bronze Ace. Jai Ho, Bronze Ace down on the inside, Speedmaker and Reyes Gold. And nearing the finish line, Jai Ho by about 5 lengths now. And nearing the finish line, Archibald Donido on Jai Ho. Bronze Ace, Reyes Gold, Lady Galore, and number 4, Speedy Mackie.